The Great Barrier Reef, one of 7 wonders of the world, and home to over 1,500 fish species and 6 of the world's 7 marine turtle species, is found in southern and eastern hemisphere, stretching along the north-east coast of Australia, in the state of Queensland off the continent of Oceania. The reef runs from about 10 degrees south to 24 degrees south latitude and 145 degrees east to 154 degrees east longitude, making it the largest coral reef in the system in the world. Despite the reef's importance to the ecosystem, in the past few decades it has been experiencing substantial coral bleaching and reef damage. In the past, the reef was full of vibrant colors and healthy marine life, but over the past 30 years, huge sections have been bleached and died. For example, in 1980, most corals were healthy, but by 2020, multiple mass bleaching events had left large parts of the reef pale and lifeless. These changes have made the reef less diverse and more fragile. The changes to the Great Barrier Reef are mostly the result of human activity. These human-induced changes are as follows. Climate change, which has increased ocean temperatures, causing repeated coral bleaching events where coral lose their color and health. At the same time, pollution from farming enters rivers and eventually reaches the reef, carrying sediments, fertilizers, and pesticides. These materials smother the corals, block sunlight, and encourage the growth of harmful algae. Overfishing has also disrupted the reef's natural balance by reducing predator species, which allows crown-of-thorns starfish to multiply and feed on coral. In addition, coastal development and shipping increase sediment in the water and bring risks such as oil spills and invasive species. Together, these human-induced pressures have accelerated the decline of the reef and threaten its long-term survival. There are many management strategies put in place to protect the Great Barrier Reef, but their effectiveness depends on balancing environmental protection with social and economic needs. The Great Barrier Reef Marine Park Authority has introduced zoning laws that limit fishing and tourism in sensitive areas, which helps reduce direct human pressures while still allowing local communities to benefit off the reef. Scientific research into heat-resistant corals is another important strategy, as it may help reefs adapt to rising ocean temperatures caused by climate change. On land, programs to reduce farm runoff encourage better agricultural practices, which improve water quality and protect coral health. At a global scale, international efforts to cut carbon emissions aim to address the main long-term threat, which is climate change. These strategies try to meet social needs, such as preserving jobs in fishing and tourism, economic needs, since the reef generates billions of dollars each year in Australia, and environmental needs, by conserving biodiversity and protecting habitats. While these approaches are helping, the reef is still extremely vulnerable, and without stronger action on climate change, its long-term survival remains uncertain. The Great Barrier Reef is one of the most extraordinary ecosystems on Earth, and although human impacts have caused serious damage, with sustainable management and global action, there's still hope that this natural wonder can survive for future generations.